designer wamapixel,
ngidlala ngama-patterns,
i-vision yami strong.
let me tell you my story.
I know.
Ey, ngisebenza ngama-pixel sinama-grid ehamba straight. Ide singinhliziyo yami, that's my everyday fate. Ngenza izinto on every interface. Umsebenzi wami clean, never out of place. From concept to launch ngiyasebenza, making it look easy kodwa ngiyabenza. User experience iyenzanyisa, every detail matters, ngeke ngidlalisa. I-style yami fresh like morning breeze. Responsive design yenza konke kubekhle please. Angidlali ngama-wireframes, this is art with purpose. Ngishaya kamnandi like Sunday service.
Ngingu-designer phakathi kwama-pixels, hey. Making dreams come true ngama-pencils, yeah. I-vision yami inamandla, creativity yami yamkhawulo, yeah. Ngingu-designer with a Zulu soul, creating interfaces that make you whole. Ngisebenza ngenhliziyo yonke, making sure your brand inakho konke.
Typography tight like Zach with flow. Color schemes imhlophe, watch them glow. Accessibility, mera kubantu bonke. Digital world, yet to see bamba sonke. Research and testing, that's my daily grind. User feedback, iyangivula mind. Yasebenza, solving problems all day. Grid system yami, hamba kanje. Mobile to desktop, ngihlezi ngilungile. I-design game yami ngihlezi iqinile. From mockups to final, ngihlezi ngishaya. Making sure your brand ngeke iphandle iphaya.
Usability testing yonke insuku, making sure your website aysoze ifakwe. Researching to data, ngifuna ukwazi how users behave.